Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube video channel. Today, I will talk to you a little bit about how to use the plier to bend the ortho wire. Check out my appointment with the patient today. My first patient is going to be an ortho patient today, guys. Excited in the morning. Want to share you and just want to just get this dental education. Anything I learned, I just want to share. Here we go.
And when she smiles, could you smile, please? When she smiles, you only see half of her teeth, so we have a chance to move these tooth here down. If we are able to move it down, about 3 months from now, her smile, when she smiles, she should see more of the front teeth. Imagine if she can smile like this, right? But she can't. Give me a big smile, please. Bigger. So that's the maximum smile she can do. So my goal today, we're gonna bend the wire, move the half millimeter down. I'll show you how to do it. The center is right there, and make a mark right there with a marker right there, and make another marker right here. Your question gonna be like, why can't you just move all the way to the canine? That is a beautiful question, but I will answer you later channel, okay? Video. I'm gonna go this way first. The typical tool that you can use is, you can see it already have a step. All I have to do is just make sure that spot is right on, and I'm just gonna press it down. I hold this, and then you can see that it's the step already there. The step is down one. After I do this, I have to turn around this one and go like this. Right here, right in the middle, press this, hold it, and you can see there is a step there. Step, step down. I'm gonna try and him out. I probably have to cut the wire a little short before poking her. So I'm gonna do a little cut first. Before I do that, I will go back to the existing wire to measure the length so I don't have to work so hard. Here's what I'm gonna cut. Alright, now we have a perfect length. Go back. Make sure your intention is to move the teeth down, so that's what you put it like that. Going in, you guys got the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. There we go. So the next step is we have to make sure that there is some force of moving those teeth down. So we have to tight or ball or yeah, tighten these teeth together. Give them a group force. So we're using this group force here to guarantee that these gonna come down together at the same time. Start. Keep it down. Let's show them that. You go up to the tooth that you want to move, which is 4 front teeth, and then you have to cut it.
So, guys, that was just a quick illustration or demonstration how you bend the ortho wire. Continue subscribe to my channel, follow and make comment and communicate with me. I will continue sharing what I know, and you share what you know, and we both gonna learn. This is a process of they call teaching is learning, and I encourage everyone to share. The world is getting smaller and smaller with the internet, with the technology globally. Have a great day,
everyone.
Happy
Take
Easter.
care. See you next video. Thumb up.